International Women's Day. It's the 8th of March and we're here for an economics fest. So this is just one of their lawns. It's not really very crowded right now because like most of the people are like have dispersed. So we ran so much across the entire campus. We got this map and we were supposed to locate the places according to the clues that we were given. And it was crazy because we've never been to this campus and we just had no idea about what they do. So it was actually something to do with what they do at their campus. So it was very difficult navigating it, but we still did a really good job. So I'm really happy. Hi. So what just happened was Mahima and I were a team and we did the prelims for the round called International Trade and we qualified. We were the 6th team, which is amazing. I mean, out of like a lot of the other teams. So what we had to do was we had clues and we had to go to different locations. It was essentially like a treasure hunt and we did really well. We navigated across the college and we toured the college because of that, and we're happy the people were really friendly, and now we're just waiting for the next round, which is going to happen in 20 minutes. This is Ramjas College that we've come to for the economics fest called Dicentio. And we're just chilling right now. We went to the cafe. The canteen. That's just what we call it in our college. Mahima's a fitness vlogger and she's awesome. So like you guys have to see her. She's really good. And like I'm so inspired by her. Like it's true. And she's the one filming this and she's smiling behind the camera and she just wants to giggle and laugh. But yeah. 1, 2, 3, start.
Okay, so they are the winners. How was your experience?
Awesome.
Any feedback?
Yeah.
How was the prelims?
The prelims were good. I mean, despite of not knowing Ramjas so well, we actually explored the entire campus in one round. So thanks for that.
So
we got a chance.
Was there anything that was stopping you from coming to Ramjas despite of whatever happened in the past?
No, not exactly. Like we were.
I mean, our parents were a little skeptical when we told them we're going to Ramjas, but then you sent us like a clear indication in the email that it's nothing to worry about, that it's safe. So that was something that our parents were okay with. Like you specially took the care to inform us that we care for your safety. So that was not a worry.
And how was the experience in the main game, main IT game?
The main game, that's the final round.
Yeah.
It was amazing. So we learned a lot, like running around. And in the beginning, we really had no money. So we were USA and we were only given 2 sheets of paper and 1 compass.
Yeah.
We had no pencil, we had no scissors, scale. Unfortunately, being USA, we had the least endowment. We just had USA's name. That's all we had.
But you had a great observer though.
Yeah, we had a good observer.
So I hope you enjoyed.
We did. It was amazing. It was amazing.
Okay. Thank you. Yes.
So we won. Mahima is at the camera and we won the event, the International Trade event, and we're really happy and we were so surprised because it was crazy and it was a craze.
And this is the college. This is Ramjas and it looks really pretty right now. So in the morning, in fact, I had to do a lot of stuff here itself. So we asked 7 strangers to text message certain things and they had to be strangers. So that happened and my phone had no battery, my friend's phone had no network. It was crazy, but we somehow did it. It was all under a time thing because we had 5 places and events to go to. So it was pretty cool actually. Now we're getting out of the college and funny thing is everyone's staring at me, whoever's there. Like, what is she doing with the camera? Oh my god. But it's okay, I am documenting my life. And it's only a memory for the longest time. So yeah, this looks really pretty. We're leaving Ramjas now. Happy day. So we are at Big Yellow Door right now. And Mahima is right here. This is our food. So we've ordered a veg bomb burger, Lori nachos and a Rocky Road chick. So it took us like 20 minutes of convincing to even have this meal because we're on a healthy thing. But this is something that we're doing because we deserve this. Okay, so this is sort of the before and after, but the shake is still there, so we're gonna have it after this. Clean, sweet, messy eaters. So we've got this quaint little corner and we have the outside here. Oh, that person's butt is not worth it. But yeah, that's the inside.